Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the dark mode on Snapchat. You can download the Snapchat app on Google Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, you can download it on App Store. Now let's move on and open Snapchat app. And as you can see, dark mode is not yet on. And we are going to enable it because light mode bright too much and sometimes it affects your eyes. To enable the dark mode on the top left corner, select and click your profile. Next, locate and select the Settings button. Then scroll down and look for App Appearance. And select Appearance. And choose Always Start to enable the dark mode. Then click Restart Now. Then restart the Snapchat app to apply the settings. And that's how to turn on the dark mode in Snapchat. If you think this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.